Hi everyone! We're going to Nando's restaurant today. Where are you?
We try. We like bloggers for
Yes.
restaurants.
So now we will try another restaurant.
Oh, the same before we give you the score for this restaurant.
Yeah. Because we feel hungry today. So there's a lot of watching us. Hi everyone! Oh my god.
They look at this blogger.
This vlogger. I am a vlogger today. Say hi everyone. Hi.
Hi.
Hello. Don't tell the place, huh?
Yeah.
I mean, maybe they come here to meet you.